All right, semester's finally over. Can finally relax. What's this? Oh, let's go check it out. Hopefully it's not too weird.
Hello, welcome to Professor Dog's Hotel.
What's up? Here to check in right now?
Check in. Can I get a name?
That would be Luis.
Luis.
Mm-hmm.
All right. The room is available for you right now. So
All right, it's ready.
Get you set up.
All right.
So we're actually almost at your room right now.
All right, perfect, man. You know, I've been so stressed these past couple of days. I'm really looking forward to this.
I feel you, man.
Mm-hmm. All right.
All right. So the door does seem to be locked. Unfortunately, we actually have an infinite amount of guests
What the
already
heck?
checked in. So give me 1 second and I'll call my manager. All right.
All right, man.
Hello. Hey, Hilbert. Yeah, we still have everybody in. Can you move everybody one room down, please?
The heck, man? I thought you said there was vacancy.
Give me 1 second. Allow me to explain what you just watched. Our guest seemed to be a little confused just now due to the fact that all rooms in the hotel were occupied even after I told him that we had a room available for him, since we do happen to have an infinite number of rooms. But in order for the hotel to have an infinite amount of rooms, the hotel must always be full. Therefore, every person in the hotel with a room must move to the room one number higher than the previous room.
All right, man. I'm enjoying my vacation so much right now, reading this book, living life in room 1. Could it get any better than this? All right. What? What's going on here? Who could be knocking my door at this hour? Let's go check.
Hey man, I'm part of room service. I actually got word that there's an infinite amount of people coming to the hotel, so I have to move everybody down to rooms. So,
You said an infinite amount of people?
yep, an infinite amount
What?
of people.
I thought this was a normal hotel.
Nope.
What kind of circus are y'all running over here?
Hello, I'm the manager of the hotel. So as you can see, we have one bus with an infinite number of people, an infinite amount number of people. So which means we don't have so many spaces. Then we are moving each guest 2 times the original room number.
What is all this noise? I can't sleep. For the past 4 hours, I've been hearing these buses coming in. Let's go check what's going on. I don't see anything. I'm gonna go ask one of the employees. Hey man, do you know what's going on? I can't sleep. There's so much noise outside.
It's just an infinite amount of buses outside.
That's it?
Yeah.
Infinite amount of buses?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's all.
all right. That makes no sense whatsoever. I'm gonna go back to sleep. All right. So one of our guests was complaining that there was a lot of commotion last night. You know, he didn't understand what this meant and what an infinite amount of buses meant. So we'll explain it for you now. Just for his better understanding, we have a pretty good visual representation here of what it was that was going on last night. So here we have all of our guests that came in. We have an infinite amount of guests in both directions because we have an infinite amount of buses with an infinite amount of people inside each bus. So how would we even accommodate for this? First of all, we'd have to do something similar as to we did last time for each individual bus. So we'd have to move each guest to 2 times their room number. That would be represented by 2n. Additionally, each bus would be assigned 1 prime number. As you know, there's an infinite amount of prime numbers. We looked at that proof earlier this semester. The first bus would be assigned to prime number 3, second bus would be 5, third bus would be 7, so on and so forth. for all prime numbers. That's what P represents. So P is all prime numbers. N would be the nth guest of the Pth bus. So inside bus 1, bus 1, seat 1 would represent 3 to the first power, and that's where the first guest would go. And then we basically just do that over and over again until all the guests can be accommodated. And here we can see that they're all happily entering the hotel all at once. And yeah. All right, finally checking out. Hey, what's up?
Sir.
Hello.
Are you here for the checkout?
Yeah, I'm checking out now.
Oh, okay. Give me your card, please. How was the stay?
It was perfect. You know, there was little weird parts about this hotel, but overall the stay was nice.
Sorry for that, but as you can see, we have enough people, an infinite amount of people, and the noise is normal. We hope to see you next time.
All right, thank you.
Bye.